Hello everyone, my name is Harsh Kumar Singh and my teammates are Mr. Ashish Bhatta and Mr. Anmol Aduda. Today I am here to explain you about my project. This is an e-commerce website. On the index page of the website you can see a slider. After the slider you can see a trending item section, and after trending item section you can see a banner, and at the end you can see a slider in which you can see the products we are selling. After this we are going towards our collections page. In our collections page we can see the products we are selling like mobiles, laptop and tablet, accessories, smartwatches and TV and home theater. In this categories section we will go inside any category, like I am going inside mobiles. In mobiles, if I want to any mobile, like I want to buy Apple iPhone 13, I will click on the phone. After this we have an option of buying add to cart it. After adding to cart it we can see that pop-up message come, product added successfully. After this we will go inside our cart. In our cart we can see that our product is added here. We have remove option, also have a checkout option, and we can also update it here. You can see that pop-up message come updated successfully. After this we will click on checkout. In checkout we just have to fill the form, and we just have filled our form. After filling this form we are going to click on place order button. After placing our order we can see that a message popped up, your order has been placed successfully. For checking that our order is placed successfully or not, we just have to come in my orders and check that our order is placed successfully, its status is pending, and we will see the view. And in this view we can see that our product is this: name Apple iPhone 13, quantity 2, price for one is 74,000 and grand total is 1,48,000, and our tracking number is crypto 6427447. And we also have the details like first name, last name, all details given by us for you. In contact us section we can see that contact me, you can give us the messages. We have messages option, we have name and email. You just have to give your name and email. You can give us your messages and feedbacks, and we are also added our map here for locate us easily. And we also have two options of login and logout. After logout you can see that we have gotten popped up message that logout successfully. In this we also have two options, register and login. If we want to buy anything we cannot buy it without logging in. Like I will try to check my orders, but we will pop up on login page. I want to see collections, we can see, but if I want to add to cart the product, in my add to cart we just have to log in. You can see that messages came, login to continue. And in this project if we want to add any project by back end, we can add it by back end. In the admin section we just have to come and enter the ID password of a super user. Only the super users are capable to log in this admin section. After logging in admin section we can delete the users. We can also add new users. We can delete a user like this. Delete selected user, go. Yes, I'm sure. After this we also have a cards option. We have nothing in our card, and on the main slide we can see that we have products in our main slide. In the product slider we can add more slides by adding main slide. We can add more categories by backend by just clicking on add category, and we can also add products by backend. This is a complete dynamic website. We just have to come and add it through admin. We don't have to do changes in our code again and again. And yeah, that's it. Thank you for giving us the opportunity.